Hey, beautiful soul, welcome back. If you're new here, I am Suad, and I am so glad you're here. This is day 4 of our confidence challenge. And in this video, we are getting into the truth that most people overlook. You don't become confidence overnight. You become confidence by what you do every single day. Let's talk about the habit that builds that kind of confidence. Not just hype, but real self trust. Confidence isn't a vibe, it's a practice. Unseen moments. When you choose discipline over doubt, when you follow through instead of flacking out on yourself. Confidence is a muscle and we are building it daily. Let's break this down. Confidence is created through habits, not hype. It's not built in the spotlight. It's built in the follow through, in the quiet wins, in the self respect of showing up. Even when nobody's watching. It is what you repeat that becomes what you believe. Let me share 3 daily habits that completely change my energy and confidence. Waking up early, not because it's trendy, but because I stopped starting my day in panic. I started with peace. Showing up on camera, even when I felt nervous, and realizing the magic happens in imperfection. Journaling my thoughts every night, clearing out the noise and reconnecting with my truth. These aren't big dramatic shifts. They were small wins repeated daily. And those wins, they built trust. That trust built confidence. Small wins create self trust. Self trust, confidence. It's that simple. Stack the habits, build the belief. So, here is your challenge for today. Pick one habit that aligns with the most confident version of you. Just one. It could be waking early, speaking up, moving your body, journaling. Comment below and commit. New confidence is built on new routines. And this is your moment. Join me. We are not just changing habits, we are building a new foundation. If you're feeling this journey, hit that subscribe button. Right now, day 5 is going to unlock something big. What's one habit you are committing to this week that bolsters your confidence? Drop it in the comments. Let's cheer each other on.